Understanding, keep the costs down, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical and useful phrase in English: keep the costs down. Whether you're managing a budget at home or discussing expenses in a business meeting, this phrase is incredibly useful. Let's break it down together and explore how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Stay tuned to master this expression. Keep the costs down refers to the effort to reduce expenses or maintain low spending on something. It's about finding ways to minimize the amount of money that needs to be spent. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal finance to business operations. The key here is the action of actively managing and reducing expenses to stay within a budget or save money. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in sentences. 1. In personal finance, we're trying to keep the costs down on our grocery shopping by using coupons and buying generic brands. 2. In business, the company has been looking for ways to keep the costs down without sacrificing quality. 3. Event planning. To keep the costs down for the wedding, we're considering a smaller venue and a limited guest list. These examples show that the phrase can be applied across different scenarios, always with the goal of reducing spending. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary and help you express the same idea in different ways. Here are a few: cut costs, reduce expenses, lower spending, economize. Each of these phrases carries a similar meaning but might be used slightly differently depending on the context. Now that you understand what it means to keep the costs down, here are a few practical tips. 1. Budgeting. Plan your expenses to avoid unnecessary spending. 2. Comparative shopping. Always look for the best deal before making a purchase. 3. DIY. Do things yourself when possible, instead of paying for services. Applying these tips can help you practice and reinforce the concept in real-life situations. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, keep the costs down. It's a handy expression that can help you talk about managing expenses in various contexts. Remember, mastering phrases like this can make your English more practical and fluent for everyday situations. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every phrase you master is a step forward. See you in the next video.